guys, welcome back to another video. We got the E-Flight Air Tractor main flight, and not one of my personal favorites on looks, but the wingspan makes it cool, and I like the coloring. And I like the little, as you can see, that little man right there in the little passenger seat. So let's get this video started, and here's a little detour. Get a good look at it, because when it's gone, it's gone. And we're off. Okay, take off in 3, 2, and 1. And we have liftoff. It's the first yellow we were playing. Actually, no, it's not. Have we filmed the ugly stick yet? I'm the cameraman, and I'm the best cameraman y'all will ever get. There she blows. Look at her. I'm gonna zoom in on that. By the way, if you haven't, go check out my channel if you like video games. I only got one video, but one video good enough. And it's at MightyGamer52. If you're wondering why 52, it's because that's the only way I can make a name. So MightyGamer52 if you like gaming videos. And like and subscribe to my channel. And like and follow me on TikTok, Jaden Scott 520. I will be replying to comments. And I will follow you back if you have a TikTok page. So, let's get into this. I got a little crack in my voice today, so I'm not that pumped up. But don't worry, at the end we'll do a little chase. Hopefully. Try to catch the airplane. Corona going around, you know. We got it coming right into you. And that's a perfect turn. So every day you get to come out on a nice day like this. You get to film a wonderful video. Hey, where'd it go? Hold up. Here it is. So I lost it for a second. Kind of like zoomed in and it got away. Where do you think you're going, huh? I think I've gotten the hang of this camera thing. That was amazing. I got a nice zoom in right there too. Ooh, ooh.
Okay, we're gonna bring it around and landing.
Okay, we're bringing it around for landing. Look at it soar. That's amazing. Oh wait, wait for the camera to focus in. Ooh. I think I'm getting good with the stick and zoom ins. Nice and steady. Oh. Thanks to the landing. What a perfect first video. That's the first flight too. We haven't even flown this yet. So that just shows you how good it is. So about a 4-minute and 30-second flight. I'm gonna guess at 30 or above for battery. We're gonna roll in. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna touch it finally. I'm gonna get the boot.
Oh. Let's see how much is left of the battery.
If there's a little bit left, can we do the chase again? That was fun. So the viewers would want to see this guy
Over here on the plane.
chase around. If you're wondering what's inside of this airplane, now you know. This is what controls everything. That battery right there, and all these cords connecting, and then that tells us what the battery is. So the battery is, I'm guessing 30 or above. And it is a, I'll get zoom in so we can see that battery chain. 30 or above is my guess. I'll comment down below if y'all get y'all's guess right. Having some difficulties. Okay, I'm gonna guess 30 or above, and it is a 46. God dang it!
Yeah, so we can fly another minute on it.
Oh, that's good. I'm gonna chase it. I'm gonna catch it before it lifts off. I'm gonna touch it. Watch. Like I said, very beautiful airplane. No one wants to miss out on something this spectacular. So I'm gonna boop it again. Let's see it quickly hit that timer. Look at the lights. Look at that. Let's get a zoom in on those lights. Oh crap! Don't wonder me. Here, I'm gonna touch it. Come here. Where you going?
Here we go. We're gonna make another.
I'm gonna stay right behind it as it takes off. Okay.
I'm not flat.
This is gonna be a long video. And the perfect takeoff of the day. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Don't let it get away from you, Jade. Oh, hold on. Let's see where I was. Trying to stand back a little bit. Because we only have 1 minute on this baby. This is going to be a long video. It's going to be one of our long-ins. I think our longest video is a 9-minute long video. If you guys think the videos are too short, comment down below. That's perfect. Ooh, look at that soar by. And as it wobbles away from my camera, come on, focus in. But it's coming in. Ready for a landing. Okay. Well, let's go through the water. Go through the water. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it. Watch. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Look at those lights, by the way. I'm gonna catch it. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna get it. I can't catch it. I touched it. I win. Airplane loses. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and that little chase at the end. Little cop chase. I caught it though. Well, anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up with a cool ending, or I guess you can call it that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and turn that bell on. That way you never miss a on approach RC video. Don't forget to comment down below what airplane you like to see. And this is the E-Flight Air Tractor. Okay, kind of lost that. This is the E-Flight Air Tractor, one of my personal favorite airplanes, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.